So whenever somebody like buys and sells with me at the same time, I cover all the moving costs. The hardest part of buying and selling a home, or even just buying a home and moving from where you're at, is moving. So that's why I take that off of the table so my clients don't have to feel that. And the way I'm able to do that is I'm able to negotiate the buyers to rent the property back to them after closing, so they were able to stay here for a couple weeks for free after we close, so they have the money to purchase the new one, and now we're able to move, and we're gonna move on time, so then the new buyers on their place are gonna move in with a clean home, and we're already settled in on the new house. So I'm so excited for my clients. They've found the perfect dream home, and I can't wait for the housewarming party. So we're gonna go grab them some donuts to give them a little pick-me-up, and we're gonna make this move happen as fast and as easy as possible.